So finished with the cupboard. Now we're going to move across onto the third background as such, i.e. the flower wall. But while we're getting there, I may as well take the shot. We know we're going to get that great silhouette as we move across. So make sure that the camera position is ready to get the full length image as the walk. And even if we've got to do it 2 or 3 times, we can make this in a bit of fun, okay? So this is a part of the flow, just to get from the one place to the other. Okay, 1 second, Briony. Okay, let's go. Walk. Go. Looking down. Can you go back and do it again? A little bit more kind of strut. And push the hands behind you, yeah? Go. Looking down. Love it. Okay, I'll just do it from here. Okay, just walk again for me. Stop. Slowly. That's lovely. Stop. Keep it. Stay there. One more. Walk again. That's it. Relax. Okay. So just against the flower wall for me, please. Over towards that side a little bit more. That's it. Turning the body that way a little bit more. There you go. So let's bring the veil. In fact, stay there for a minute. Let's just do the knicker line. Just almost pick up the veil with the left hand, just to reveal the knickers just a little bit. So from underneath here, pick up here. Other hand. That's gorgeous there. Keep it. Keep it. Let's do the same with the bra. So just part the veil a little bit more. Keep it. Yeah, let's take it back. The same thing. So just as if you're doing it up again, in the middle, like there's a bow or that's all it is. Let's do it. Keep it. Move the fingers lower down. There you go. That's gorgeous. Keep it. Stay there. Turn the right hand upwards, other way. It's lovely. It's there. Just use the... No, it's okay. Let's lose the left hand fully. Let's use your right hand fully. Take it behind the veil. That's lovely. Keep it. Looking left. Towards the light for me. I lied. Keep it. Okay, relax. Let's pull the veil back over the top. Okay, just turning against the light, looking towards the light. Lower the down, chin more. Keep it. 1 second. Just love it's there. Again. Break that a little bit. Keep it. Lower the chin more, as if you're doing up the bra. Okay, so just pushing out the veil, just a little bit of movement. You can move from the hip and things if you want as well. Slowly turn the body that way more. Lower the hands as well as you do it. Little expression. Excellent. Keep it. Reveal just a little bit. So use one of the hands to almost reveal the knicker. That's it. Push the other. Open this knee out to me. So just step out with this foot a little bit more. So that's lovely. Okay, let's do it. Moving the hand as you do it. Go for it. Turn the body away a little bit. Hide more or less. Turn the back to me. It's lovely. Again. Relax. I like that. Turn the back more. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. There you go. Stop. Can you look your left through your left side? Look to your left. It's the other way. Right. Head looking left towards the window. There you go. It's lovely. Push out those hands more. Keep it. Lower down with the hands there. It looks false. Keep it. It's lovely. Relax. Let's do the face. So turn your back around towards me again. Go with your body almost against the background. Or your back against the background, sorry. Let's take that back. That's fine. Pinch it low. Bring it up from low up. Just cover it. Fully. It's good. Looking towards the side again. Twist the body this way a little bit, darling. It's lovely. So we've got some really nice shots there with the flower wall, still kind of getting that variety, a little bit more of a movement or whatever. You could even start on the flower wall if you wanted to bring the session alive a little bit more, if you felt it was getting a little bit static with it. Our flower wall isn't huge. This one is probably about 200 pounds worth of squares. So basically, obviously to do with budget, double the size, make it a lot easier. Half of it could be underneath the likes of the bed. But of course, with budgets, just got to make it as good as we can. So let's just lay this down onto the floor. Same way, from against the light. I've got to be honest, it's not the comfiest thing on the planet because they are little plastic kind of suckers to actually keep on the petals. Just don't tell the client. Sorry. Okay, let's go in here. So your bottom's going to be about there. Head's going to be about here for me. Legs are going down towards that part of the wall. Is that okay? Take them off anyway. Make it easier for you. Just wonder if we use the veil or not. Let's keep the veil on for a minute. Other way around for me, so the head's at that end. Feet the other way, please. I did say it was a bit prickly. Move down more for me, but it's going to be about this kind of level. Can you move down a little bit more? And laying down. Laying down. Bring your head towards me more. Top part of the body more. That's lovely. Let's do it. Can you bring the veil just lower down as well? Just bring it around you a bit like an angel. Grab each side. That's it. And do it. Excellent. Hips are going to go towards that way. No, other way. Excellent. Let's give it a go. Quick test. Okay, again. It's lovely. Okay, let's do it. Eyes open for me. Keep it. Let me just come into the light. In fact, I'm going to light. Just going to shoot from this side. So, bring the left hand down towards your knicker line for me. This knee needs to come over the top, so you're going to turn the body around towards me a little bit more, darling. This knee to hit the floor. That's lovely. This hand, can you put the veil on top of this arm? There you go, that's fine. And this hand can just come down to there. Okay, straight up towards the camera. Excellent. Keep it towards the light for me. Turn the head fully. Turn the head more. That's lovely. Bring the hand up towards the head to dress now, both of them. Turning the head, looking towards here. And just go change lens. Straight at me with the eyes. That's lovely. Keep it serious for me. That's lovely. Straight here with the eyes. Okay, let's cover over fully with the veil. Completely cover yourself, head, body. Please. Cover over your face with the veil as well if you can. Okay, that's lovely, great. Just pop the hands out a little bit to the sides, underneath the veil though fully, so I don't get any flesh. And just looking over towards the window again. Twist the body away again, hips away. That's lovely. This hand can come in the arch of the back just a little bit. This hand, other hand then can come up to the middle of the bra. Just between, that's lovely. Straight towards me, quick test. That's lovely again. Keep it. Looking towards the light for me. One sec. Again. So that's the end of the first part of the session. I'd recommend, of course, that you're now developing the bridal confidential shoot with more changes of clothes. So I would go something that possibly she's going to wear on the honeymoon night, or her favourite bra and knickers. We've got a full list of ideas for you to actually kind of encourage the client to bring in. Plus perhaps a bodycon dress something that she really feels good at. But again, just follow the list through. It's really down to you. But remember, don't get this confused between a boudoir shoot. This is a bridal confidential, hence that's why most of the shoot that we've done are actually used in the veil itself.